Hello guys and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to update the inventory in Shopify after purchases with n8n. So in this tutorial you'll capture new order from the Shopify. You'll extract purchase product SKUs and quantities. You'll fetch current inventory levels from Shopify. You will update inventory by subtracting the purchase quantity, and will keep your Shopify store accurate and prevent overselling. This ensures your stock is always up to date without manual adjustments. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the node, the Shopify trigger. His purpose is to start the workflow whenever a new order is created in Shopify. Let's open it. You need to put your credential here. You'll have the event that will be order and create. And what will capture the order ID, the product line items, the SKU and the quantity, and the customer data. After that, you'll have the node split line. His purpose is to break down each order product, the line item, so inventory can be updated per product. It's a node type like the split in batches or split out items. The result will be each line items, the SKU and the quantity will be handled individually. After that, you'll have the Shopify node get the product by SKU. His purpose is to find the product in the Shopify using the SKU from the order. The configuration will be get on operation will be get product variant. You see here get variant, and the resource will be order and will be searched by SKU JSON SKU. The result will return the product variant ID and the current inventory quantity. After that, you'll have a function node that will calculate the new stock. His purpose is to subtract purchase quantity from the current stock. Let's open it. You see that new stock, current stock, purchase quantity. So like I said, the purpose is the subtract purchase quantity from the current stock. And finally, we have the Shopify update inventory. Its purpose is to update the Shopify product variant with the new stock count. You see that? You update the variant. On configuration will be on the operation, like you see the update product variant, the variant ID that is JSON variant ID, and the inventory quantity that is equal to JSON new stock. Now every new Shopify order will be automatically updated in real time. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.